Hello iPhone user, to reduce the aging of your phone's battery, I will tell you what you have to do is you have to first go to the settings area. As an iPhone user, you have to tap on the option of battery, right? Here when you slide it down, you will get option of battery health and charging, right? Here the last option is of optimized battery charging. You have to turn it on, like mine is turned on. You have to tap on that green option to turn it off or turn it on. And now it is actually written here also that to reduce battery aging, iPhone learns from your daily charging routine, so it can wait to finish charging past 80% until you need to use it, right? So this is how we use it, and we can switch it off. And here is option of asking like till when you want to switch it off, right? So it will automatically turn on then, right? That's how we do it. Use this feature wisely, as I have told you that it is going to help your battery charging. See you in the next video. Tada.